Zita rangu ndonzi Len Mogiwa. I am the secretary of the National Industrial Fire Control Association, abbreviated as NIFCA. We are currently in Mutare holding our National Industrial and Fire Control Association competitions, which are going to be held from tomorrow at Sakuba Stadium, and they will be finished on Friday, 17:30 hours at Sakuba Stadium. The main purpose of the event is to bring the fire and awareness campaign to industries, homes, factories, schools, to mention just a few. It is an awareness in the event of a fire being happening at a premises. The entire team which you are seeing will tackle the fire before the local fire brigade come in.